Most homeowners in Hamilton are doing this completely wrong, and it's costing them tens of thousands of dollars and months of their life. They clean, they paint, they fix up their place, they hire a photographer, then what? They list it and they wait. They host an open house, they wait again, they start to panic, they drop the price, more showings, no offers, and then they give up. Meanwhile, while those homes are sitting, relisting, quietly dying on the market, I sold 3 listings last week, one in 4 days, another in 4 days, and one sold in just one day, all of them over asking. One of them, $60,000 over the asking price in this market. Want to know how I did it? You're about to see the exact playbook, built on artificial intelligence, digital domination, and strategies no one else is using. Let's talk facts. Here's the state of the Hamilton real estate market right now. In the last 7 days, 2,277 new listings, 866 price drops, 1,014 canceled listings, 220 expireds, only 874 sold. Let that sink in for a second. Over 1,200 homes failed to sell. That's more homes pulled off the market than closed. And that's not a slowdown. That's an absolute bloodbath. While sellers are sitting there bleeding equity, I sold 3 homes in a single week, all over asking. So what was different? What am I doing that they're not? And how are we getting these kind of results while everyone else is getting crushed? The answer is very simple. Traditional real estate is broken. Most agents follow the exact same script. List it, post an open house, cross their fingers, drop the price, repeat. That's the plan. And it fails every single day. It's why homes sit for 60 days, 90 days, 120 days or more. It's why price reductions are the norm. Sellers lose confidence and, worst of all, lose money. We don't play that game. We don't just list homes, we launch them like a product drop, like a Netflix premiere. And we do it with something I call the Found AI Home Launch Program. It's a complete system built around 3 powerful pillars, each one engineered to sell your home faster and for more money. Let's break it down. Pillar number 1, predictive prospecting. Before we list, we send your home to the most likely buyers, not random agents, not our entire contact list. We use AI to pull a list of agents and buyers based on actual data. People who bought or sold homes just like yours, price point in your area in the last 6 to 18 months. Then we push your listing to them before you even go live to the market. Why? Because this creates early buzz, creates feedback, and off-market momentum. We know where demand is, and it's before you even hit the market. That means we can control the launch, not react to it. Pillar number 2, the promotion optimizer. We don't wait for buyers to scroll through the MLS. We bring the property to them using Google Ads. Using YouTube video campaigns, we don't guess who the buyer is. We use their search history to find them. If someone Googles buy a home in Hamilton or detached home for sale in Burlington or live in and rent out the other unit in Hamilton, we hit them with your ad on YouTube, on Gmail, on websites they visit every single day. We retarget them again and your home chases them across the internet. And it works because within 72 hours, your listing's been seen by over 10,000 real buyers. Not likes, not views, impressions from people who actually want to buy a house just like yours. Pillar number 3, the price protection loop. This is where most agents check out. We lean in. Every week post-launch, we sit down and review real-time data, showing feedback, click-through rates, ad performance, agent response. We read the market like a scoreboard. If something's off, we adjust. We're building momentum. We double down. We don't guess. We don't wait. We act. That's how you protect your price, and that's how we stay ahead. That's how we keep listings hot at all times. This isn't theory. It's not marketing fluff. It's the system we use, and it works every single time. Want proof? I'll show you 3 real listings, all launched with the Found AI system. One that was on the market for 74 days with another agent, 0 offers. We took it over and sold it in 4 days. Another we priced strategically and sold it in 4 days with 4 offers. And the third sold in 1 day for $60,000 over the asking price. You'll see the full breakdown in the next segment. Real addresses, real numbers, real marketing, and real strategy. Stick with me because this is where it gets really crazy. Let's get into the real results because this system isn't theory. It's a machine. And here's what it did last week. Listing number 1, Hamilton Mountain. Detached home, nice layout, great location, but it sat on the market for 74 days with another agent. 74 days, no offers, the photos terrible, bright colored furniture everywhere, nothing looked move-in ready, no emotion, no flow. Buyers saw the photos and they bounced. They simply couldn't picture themselves living there. So we took it over. We changed absolutely everything in that house. First thing we did, we had the furniture removed, totally gone. Then we virtually staged the entire home. New living room, new dining room, new bedrooms, all clean, everything. Bright, modern. It looked like a completely different house without spending $1 on physical staging. Next, we fired up the system. Google ads, YouTube retargeting, search-based intent campaigns. We didn't wait for buyers to stumble into the house. We hunted them down. Targeted families searching for detached homes on the mountain. The moment they clicked anything related to Hamilton Homes, they saw this listing again and again across YouTube, Gmail, banner ads, real estate blogs, weather apps. They simply couldn't escape it. Day one, traffic. Day two, we had showings. Day three, serious momentum. Day four, 2 offers. Sold $2,000 over the asking price after 74 days of silence. We got it done in 4 days. Same house, new strategy, massive result. Listing number 2, downtown Hamilton. Duplex, never listed before, but we knew exactly who we were targeting. House hackers. People want to live in one unit and rent out the other. Get income, build equity, and live smarter. So we wrote the whole ad campaign around that lifestyle. How to live for free in Hamilton. That was the hook, and it hit hard. We ran custom video ads built for YouTube pre-roll, Google search, Gmail placement. Everywhere someone looked up duplex or investment property in Hamilton, boom, they would have seen our ad. And not just once, again and again, retargeted across the entire Google display network. Within 48 hours, we had interest. Within 72 hours, showings. Within 4 days, we had 4 offers. Sold $25,000 over the asking price. All because we spoke directly with the right buyers. Not with guesswork, not with my face up on a billboard, not with a flyer, but with data, targeting, and strategic media. Listing number 3, Burlington. This one, an absolute rocket ship. Detached, dated home, but with a massive lot. Huge, unique lot that's very rare in Burlington. Then we brought in the drone, captured the lot, the street, the home from above. It looked like a cinematic, professional, premium video. We built a 45-second highlight reel, added a killer headline, plugged it into our ad engine, targeted families shopping for Burlington real estate. And in the first 24 hours, over 17,000 impressions, multiple clicks, 4 showings, 2 offers, sold for $910,000. That's $60,000 over the asking price in 1 day. That's not a typo, not a fluke, not a hot streak. That's what happens when listings get launched. Not listed, but launched. Because when you combine AI-powered pricing, hyper-targeted buyer ads, strategic pre-market exposure, cinematic content, and data-driven adjustments, you don't just wait for results, you create them. So while other homes sit for months, while other agents drop prices to get attention, we're selling ours in under a week with leverage, momentum, and for more money. This system is working right now in this market, while inventory is rising, while rates are bouncing around, and while buyers are extremely picky. If we can sell 3 listings in 7 days, all over asking, one with a 74-day failure history, one at an entry-level price, one at a high-ticket luxury price, what do you think we can do for your home? I'm going to show you exactly how you can plug into this, step by step. Book a free strategy call, and I'll show you exactly how this works, how the AI engine works, how we build the media, and what you'll get in the first 48 hours of us working together. If you're even thinking about selling your home in the next 3 to 6 months, you need to watch the next section of this video, because what you don't know could cost you $10, $50, even $100,000. If you're still watching, you already know this isn't the average way to sell a home. This is the way better, way faster, and way more profitable way. We've proven it with real listings in real neighborhoods with real over asking results in what some say is one of the most horrible markets we've experienced since the 1990s. So what happens next? We built this system to give sellers a serious edge. It's called the Found AI Home Launch Program, and I can plug you into it right now. Doesn't matter if you're selling in 7 days or in 7 months. We built this custom launch plan in advance, so you're not winging it when it comes time to sell. No pressure, no commitment, just real strategy. Here's what happens when you book a call. Step 1, we analyze your home. We run your property through our AI-powered pricing engine. We feed in location, lot size, upgrades, layout, market trend, recent sales, and buyer behavior. Then we ask the system, what's the maximum price this home can sell for in 14 days or less? No guessing, no ego, just data, backed by machine learning. And yes, it works. It's scary accurate. Step 2, we design your launch strategy. We show you who we'll target, what platforms we'll use, what videos we'll create, how we'll hit 10,000 plus real buyers in your market in your first 72 hours on the market. You'll see the entire system mapped out for your address. Step 3, we give you your move options. You'll walk away with a full digital launch blueprint, your personalized pricing range, a campaign rollout plan, and the best timing window for maximum exposure. Whether you sell now or later, you'll know exactly how to dominate your launch. Bonus, you'll also get our Home Seller Power Pack, fully free, and it includes the top 7 ways to increase your home's value by 5 to 10%. the exact checklist we use to prep every single launch, and a breakdown of how we price homes to sell fast without leaving any money on the table. And last, you'll get a real number for your house, a real strategic price, not a random Zestimate, not a gut feeling, not a neighborhood average, but a real world data backed target based on your home, your street, your buyer pool, and your timing. Most sellers I speak to are shocked at how much more they can actually get for their house if it's simply launched the right way. So if you're even thinking about selling, stop guessing, stop watching listings around you drop price every single week. Get a plan, get a system, and let us walk you through exactly how all of this works. Click the link, book a 15-minute seller strategy call, answer a few simple questions, and we'll handle the rest. This isn't some let's list it and hope situation. This is a media-backed, AI-powered lead generating offer producing machine, and we want to run it for your home. We're not here to play small. We're here to win, to dominate, and to get you the highest possible price. And the highest possible price comes when you get your home in front of the highest possible number of buyers who are actually interested in purchasing a home just like yours. We've done it for others. We'll do it for you. No price drops, no long listings, no wasted time, just leverage and results. Click the link, book the call. Let's launch your home the right way. Let's make yours the next sold over asking story. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.